Hi, Tim again from Old Sawmill Farm, Coventry, Rhode Island. I'm going to talk to you briefly about different types of tomato leaves. You have your standard regular leaf right here. It's pretty easy to recognize what you're used to. Sometimes it's referred to in some of the books as RL, means regular leaf. Then we have potato leaf, or PL, like on this flat of Brandywines. And then we have a wispy leaf, oxheart leaf. You can see the how thin the leaf itself is and how thin the stem is. So it's oxheart, wispy leaf, potato leaf, and regular leaf.